Alright, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disunga from Mike and James Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Alright, so bago tayo pumasok ngayon, naisip ko lang ngayong umaga kasi nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord unang-una sa mga blessings. Like kahapon na officially na-register na tayo, GDS Corporate Training. That's my business. Aside from my full-time job as principal. Then, naisip ko din yung mga blessings na na-receive natin monthly from our YouTube channel, from our coaching. Like, mamaya meron tayo sa Robinsons, Pampanga. Pumunta tayo doon. Nung Sunday meron. Almost every day meron tayong kino-coach. Plus, this car na it gives me comfort pagpasok ko. Pag-uwi, di ba? So, lahat ng dala-dala ko nandito na, may dadaanan ako i-vlog, i-coach. So, napakadali ng buhay. Okay? So, kaya naisip kong i-vlog sa atin lahat na don't be satisfied with your salary only. Okay? For example, ikaw ay tumatanggap ng 20 or 30,000. Pagpalagay mo na 50,000, alright? So that 50,000, minsan sasabihin natin, ay okay na ako dito, okay na ako, masaya na ako. Well, that's fine. That's congratulations kasi meron kang ganun sweldo. So, hindi lahat ng tao may ganyan sweldo, di ba? So, like in my case, it's almost like that ang sweldo natin. Nagpapasalamat tayo, of course, sa Panginoon. Pero I just realized na pag naging happy ka na doon, naging contented ka na doon, or hindi ka na nag-aspire ng more, so yung buhay mo rin, nababox na siya, na ilalagay ka na sa isang box. Okay, so I have to admit, it's only when I had my side business, doon ako nagkaroon ng kotse, kumuha ng kotse, doon ako, natulungan ko yung family, I can give kung anong gusto nila, then, you know, and of course, may ministry, mga pastor, medyo, you know, napag-pray natin, plus kahit merienda lang, so other people around us. So, lahat ng yan nangyari when I started building my side business. So, what I'm trying to say sa lahat ng mga delivers natin, sa lahat ng mga full-time employee, na minsan masaya ka na po sa mga, hagay ka naman, magiging engineer po yan at magkakaroon ng construction business. Okay, so minsan, ano ka, yung okay ka na sa ganito, pero sabi ko nga lagi, there's more. Okay, there's more. So, kung ikaw ay 30, 40, yan, napakadami mo nang pwedeng gawin. Napakadami naghihintay sa buhay mo, okay? There are many things waiting for us outside that room, outside that window, outside that door, okay? So, ang gawin mo lang, you know, try to see kung anong skills ang meron ka. Yan ang pwede mong, or products yung pwede mong i-produce. Yan yung pwede mong dalhin sa marketplace. Okay? Yan yung gusto mong, pwede mong i-offer sa marketplace. That can, eventually, you can start your own business that, and then they will be paying you, then dun you can elevate, you can level up, you can improve your life. Alright? So, again, don't just be satisfied with what you have right now. Akala mo yan na meron pa pala, marami pa. Alright? So, please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW or dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad ng ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!